I am Brandon with Brandon's Landscapes. We're a landscape construction and maintenance company. I really do enjoy what I do. I've always had a knack for fixing things. I've always been good at working with my hands.
Brandon is an incredible fellow. I met him through the California Landscape Contractors Association.
The business I started at a very young age. Started doing landscaping when I was 12 years old. My childhood was not the greatest, so anything I could do to stay outside and not go home, I did. My neighbor had me re-landscape their entire backyard. Now I have 25 trucks and 38 employees. You know, I really grew this business from the ground up. Some of the changes that the industry has seen is the transition from gas-powered equipment to electric equipment.
It was always on our mind that the future was coming for electric, particularly here in the state of California.
The biggest drawback to the gas equipment is trying to store the gasoline in the trailers and the vans and the fumes from that. With gas equipment, you have a carburetor that can get plugged up. You have a spark plug that can also get gummed up.
Gotta mix the gas. Two different kind of gas inside the blowers.
There's always a bit of tension on the shoulders of those who are running a company, how we're going to transfer over to this kind of equipment.
The transition from gas-powered to electric equipment, there's quite a bit of infrastructure that went into place to make that change. I had to have enough batteries to allow our crews to complete their route for the whole day. How are we going to charge all these batteries? I decided to basically make a completely separate charging room. I ran a large sub-panel to that room. I ran multiple circuits off of that sub-panel in order to accommodate charging these batteries. When the crews come in at 5 in the morning, they have batteries that are fully charged and ready to go. The XGT line of equipment has great power behind it. The hedge trimmers, the line trimmers are comparable to the gas-powered equipment. It's been very reliable and easy for our employees to use.
I prefer the battery more. I think it's easier than the gas. Just connect the battery and just go.
We're very hard on the equipment. We're not the normal homeowner that's going to utilize this equipment once a week. We're utilizing this equipment all day, every day.
I do all the hiring. I interview every person that comes through this door. They are working a hard job. How many people are going to be able to work 7.5, 8 hours a day, carrying a leaf blower on their back?
I love working for this company. I like my coworkers, they're cool. We get along great.
We're very fortunate to have a great team of guys. It's the biggest thing that creates the success of my company. I really do enjoy what I do. No two jobs are alike, and every day is different.